E hiko ana te rohe o Waikato I te whakaarotanga ake ki te pakanga kātū ki Wainganui I ngā kiwi me ngā uri o Tonga I te whakataetai ipu riki o te ao. Kei roto I te kapa kiwi, tētahi o rangatahi Māori e hoki atu ana ki ngā takahanga waiwai o ōna tūpuna. Mō Tonga I ngā toa rātau, he hītori hou ka tāngia e rātau ki te pātū o te whare riki. Nei rā, a tāmati Rimene Sprout.
E whai ana Dallin Watene-Zelezniak I ngā tapu wai o tōna tipuna.
See, it's going to be a big day for myself and my family, but my dad's family is also coming too, which is my dad's Tongan side, so I'm pretty sure they might be going for the Kiwis. I haven't asked them, but I mean, if I'm getting some of them tickets, they better be going for the Kiwis.
He uria Watene-Zelezniak o te kāpene Māori tuatahi a te kapa Kiwi, a puti tīpene Watene. Ko ia tērā I tākoro mā te kapa I ngā tau toru te kau. Hei tā te matua kēkea a Zelezniak e poho kereru ana te whānau whānui I ngā whakatutukitanga maha te tama nei.
But he had a wonderful career, both locally and in the New Zealand Māori team. Played in the team of 1937 alongside George Napier, and they knocked over the Australians 10-6. And it was coached by one of Dallin's other tupuna, Jim Rukutai. So Dallin's got this wonderful mix of a terrific footballer in his own right, Jim Rukutai, Steve Watene, and that Polish-Tongan connection. So he's got it all going on. Let's hope he's able to do well with it on the field tomorrow.
Hei tāna anō he tākoro tēnei e whakamaumaharana ia puti tīpene Watene anō hoki.
This year was 50 years since Grandpa died. He was only a young man, 57, and died of a heart attack while he was in the debating chamber of Parliament. And so we had a gathering mid-year to acknowledge that 50 years that have passed. He's never far from our thoughts, but it really brought us together as a whānau, and Dallin no doubt will be conscious of that when he runs on the field tomorrow to line up against Tonga.
He toto Tonga tō Zelezniak, I toro atu ngā kai whakahare o te kapa Tonga ki aia. He oe he whakatinana I ngā wawata o ōna mātua tipuna Māori, tōna aronga matua.
Felice Kafusi, Adam Whenua-Blake, Dallin, there's a number of guys who could have played for Tonga and chose to go the other way.
A hakua I huri tuara atua Zelezniak ki te kapa Tonga, kai reira toru ngā toki I huri tuara mai. Nanei ore ana rātau kia tuki a rawatia, tō rātau kapa o mua.
Just playing through the middle and then giving the balls to some of our outside backs after that. We've got a few good finishes, so hopefully if we can do a good job in the middle, then our outside backs can score the points.
Kua hokona ngā tīkiti katoa mo te tukinga a pōpō me te aha ko te nuinga o ngā tīkiti, kua hokona e ngā apataki o Tonga. Nā whai anō e hikaka ana te kapa ki te tākoro, ki te mura o te ahi.
Yeah, I think the fans underestimate how important they are to the game. I know that there's passionate supporters out there, and I love, going out on the field. It'll be a great atmosphere. I'm excited. I can't wait. It's going to be a big game.
It'll be massive for us. When you hear the fans sing like that, it's a huge boost for the team, and you can feel the boys lift on the field when they hear the Tongan supporters sing. So that'll be massive for us if they can turn up and do that.
Ka whana te pōro hei te rima karaka ki te taiwhanga o Waikato, tā Rimene Sprout, te karere.